Hi guys, today we've been working on some slime in our super slime factory and we've made up a super stretchy special ingredients. We've been in our slime factory and we've come up with a secret slime recipe. So here we have our secret slime and I'm just stretching it to go down there.
Call Lottie on 08000 288.
So soon it will be down to there and it will be from up here. And I've tried this lots of times and it's worked. So here we have the slime again and it's got a bit longer and it's nearly on the floor. It takes a very long time. So here we have it again, it's a tiny bit longer and we just have to keep on leaving it to do it itself. It won't work if we pull it on, so yeah. Oh, it's getting really long. And it's getting so long, it's nearly as big as my brother. And nearly, when it gets to this floor, it's nearly as big as my dad. So yeah. Wait a minute. So really quickly before it snaps, I'm going to let go, and it's down to the bottom now, and it's just super magic. It's Max, and today's week's video will be about slime. And look how long it is. And it's going to touch the bottom. It's even longer now. It's nearly at the bottom. It's nearly down to the bottom. There isn't. It isn't. It isn't. And now it is at the bottom. So this was the slime we made. We didn't buy it, we actually made it, so it was really cool. So yeah, hope you enjoy other videos that we've done and hope you enjoyed it. Bye!